it's a government conspiracy. They were testing out some poison to see how they can kill at least 5,000 people. So they threw out this smoke or something, and it worked. The 5,000 birds died, but fish also died.
No sé, estaban arrebatados.
Te voy a decir lo que yo pienso. Aliens. Aliens. I think that aliens happened. A big old spaceship came, and I mean, they couldn't fly and hit one, and all of them hit that same spaceship. No. The spaceship came from up, you know, and then they were flying, and they all died. Aliens.
Mi teoría es bien sencilla. Esto es un encubrimiento del gobierno. Ustedes han escuchado lo que es Área 51, mira, Area 51. ¿Qué dice ahí? Chequense lo que dice ahí. Ahí hay secretos de décadas. Ellos saben que hay ovnis y los ovnis se la enviaron los condenados pájaros del diablo.
Honestly, maybe with bad food. They ate some bad bread. Firecrackers look like bread to them, so they probably ate that, and they, you know, it kind of messed up the inside system, the stomach area, and they couldn't get no Pepto-Bismol, right? So they had to like drink water. So when they drink water, after that, then you know they have to like relax and sleep and eat some roaches, bugs, and stuff like that. You know, that's why I think we're all gonna die. So it's all good.